Okay, so after you have done the hardware part, then you go to the software part. Same way as earlier. Okay, so before I click the generate the generate configuration files, if you take a look at the library source files here, currently I have the lcd.asm, but if I click this one, it gives me also the led1.asm file. So basically, when you're adding any of these modules, let me take it off so that I can repeat it. When you add a module, for example, that LED module, port and pin, and then active high actually. So basically, when you are clicking the generate configuration files, when you look at those subroutines, what the system gives you, this library source file LCD, PSoC config table, PSoC config.asm. In addition to those, okay, generate configuration files, that actually gives you the APIs. And now the APIs are named after the LED1, not just LED. That's how you can get, more than one device there. Every single device what you add there, even if they are similar, otherwise you will have different names. Okay, so each of those have different subroutines, meaning that when you take the data sheet of LED, for example, from hiding there, now the example code here, or whatever you copy, remember also to change the name correspondingly. Okay, good. So now the more code here, LED1 start. That's one of those. Okay, where's the user module? LED1 data sheet. There we go. And then you have LCD switch. For example, turn it on, or LED1 switch on. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Mm-hmm. LED on, LED1 on. Okay, so that's how you variable LED1 on or when LED1 on. Okay, so that's how you use it. And the rest of those application programming interfaces are actually right here on the datasheet. You can find everything from the datasheet. Okay. So in principle, if I build that one and compile, and if I did everything correctly, I should What? Somebody broke my thing. It's not working anymore. What are you doing? What? No, this one doesn't work. Ah, I see. And I have let it on this one. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Those couple of things you would need. Easy timing. How to make easy timing in the programmable system chip. Still working on this one, right? The capital one is defined. What is that called? That's a constant, defined constant. On with the lowercase n is a function that you can turn on the on. So instead of that one, you could always also use let one on. That's a function. It's either or. Yes. Hmm? Yeah. You may have a name mismatch. Okay. Naming. I had LED1 called the module. So my subprograms are actually Arthur LED1 starting, all of them. And okay, like that one, LED1 start, LED1 switch. Do you have the same things? So then you need to generate and build. But if you don't have any hex file, it means that the generate build gave you error messages. So down on the output, you probably have error. Okay, double click on the error. It should show you where the error is. Okay, what does it say? Undefined something. So there's a name mismatch. Ah, okay. How about this one, lowercase or higher case? Lowercase. That you actually had a function inside of the as a calling parameter. Yeah. I know C programming language is a bitch. You need really have to take every single character and make sure that it's exactly the correct one. And this is a little bit misleading since you also have the this function. Instead of that let one on, you could also have the same one, with that one. Okay. And there's a question. Yes.